Damn! Yo, let's go take a ride. I love it. I love it. Yes. Yes. Oh, let's go take a ride. Oh man, I've learned you can't please people on the internet unless they see proof for themselves. So, if you guys remember, I deleted the pairing system / EGR, whatever you want to call it. This is actually the plug from the right side of the bike. I wanted you to see what it looked like. This is the original plug that I've now put over 200 miles on since deleting the EGR, and it's fine. It's really not that bad. So I'm going to show you what the left one looks like. I'm looking for a coffee brown color, but because I'm in here already, to make everybody feel better, I'm going to go ahead and put some new plugs in and go that whole route with you guys. Let's go ahead and just finish this up. Get this going here. There we go. Moving a little too quick for myself. I'm running out of daylight fast here. Florida gets dark pretty quick, so. Get on there. There we go. There she is. Alright. Let's see what it looks like here. Yeah, so they're about the same as I expected. That's the one that just came out of this side of the bike. It's the one that came out of the other side of the bike. They're both coffee brown. They're both in okay status on the color chart if I was to show it to you guys, so I have zero worries about what's going on with the bike right now. They're both definitely within color spec. And they're about the color I expected for having some still a little rusty colored fuel going through it from cleaning the tank. It's all pretty average, so new plug going in. Man, this is so hard to do backwards. So anyways, just want to show that to you guys because I know there's people just tripping out on the internet. Could you delete the thing? This bike's gonna run so shitty, it's gonna burn up and blow up. Blah, 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 blah. Fucking gurus, you internet gurus, man, you guys make me laugh. I laugh in your face.
Are you sure this is okay? You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now, she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay? All right.